Often, when you plan to sell or trade in your device, you need to delete everything from your device to protect yourself and to ensure that the new owner gets a fresh start. Sometimes, when you have a persistent bug, factory resetting is the solution. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your data through iCloud and to perform a full factory reset. If you find this video helpful, don't forget like, share it and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Factory resetting erases everything on your phone. Before proceeding, ensure that you back up everything from your device. On iPhone, one of the recommended ways to ensure that you back up everything is through the iCloud. Before we proceed with the factory reset, let me show you how you can do that. On iPhone, go to the Settings app. Mine is right here, so tap there. Inside the settings, tap right here at the top where you have your account to access your account. Inside your Apple account, scroll down until you find here iCloud. Tap there. Inside iCloud account, scroll down until you find iCloud Backup, which is right here. And you can see that mine is on. Tap there. Inside iCloud Backup, turn on Backup this iPhone, which is this option here, and you can see on the right side that mine is on. Then turn on Backup over mobile data, which is the second option below Backup this iPhone. Only turn this option on if you have enough mobile data. If you don't, connect your device to a Wi-Fi and then it will back up using your Wi-Fi connection. Once you're done with these two options, right here at the bottom, you have Backup Now. So before factory reset, back up your iPhone. The backup process will start and you can see down here the progress bar. Depending on the amount of information that you have on your device, this process can take a long time. In this case, for this device, I don't have a lot of information, and for the things that I have there, I don't need to backup. So I'm going to tap on Cancel Backup. Assuming that you have backed up all your data, now let's perform the factory reset. Let's go back to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down until you find General right here. Tap there. Inside General, let's scroll down until we find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Right here at the bottom, tap there. Now inside here, let's tap on this last option. Erase all content and settings. Let's tap there. It will bring this information trying to explain what erase will do to your iPhone. If you are comfortable with that, tap on Continue. It will bring this pop-up notification, double checking with you if you really want to erase everything. Because this is what we want to do, I'm going to tap here on Erase iPhone. It will ask for your passcode, so introduce your passcode. It will try to upload any remaining data to the iCloud. Assuming that you already did that, it won't take a long time. But at the same time, it will disconnect this device from the iCloud. If for some reason you don't want to upload any remaining data, you have the option down here at the bottom to skip the backup. In this case, let's tap on Skip Backup. Now it will ask for the password of your iCloud account. Tap it there. Then tap OK. The phone will restart and show the Apple logo with a progress bar at the bottom. This process usually takes a few minutes. When it finishes, you will see the hello screen and the device will be like new. Now let's leave it doing its thing and come back once it finishes. The factory reset is done. Now we are on the hello screen. If we swipe it up, you will be asked to select the language, introduce your iCloud account, and everything else. This is how you factory reset your iPhone. Well everyone, that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget, like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.